Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to turn on other messaging unread chat reminders on Snapchat. This updated method will make sure you never miss an important message again. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and head over to your main settings menu. This is where you can manage all the apps installed on your device. Next, scroll down until you find Apps and tap on it. This section shows a full list of every app you've installed. From here, locate Snapchat in the list and tap on it. This will open the app's info page where you can control app permissions, storage, and notifications. Now, tap on Notifications. This is the area where you can customize exactly how Snapchat alerts you about new activity. Inside Notifications, go ahead and select Notification Categories. This is where all the different types of Snapchat alerts are grouped into categories, making it easy to turn specific alerts on or off. Look for the category called Other Messaging. This is where the setting for unread chat reminders is located. Finally, toggle on Unread Chat Reminders. Once this is switched on, Snapchat will send you a gentle reminder if you have unread messages waiting for you. And that's it, you're all set. With this feature enabled, you'll get notified whenever you've left a conversation unread, helping you stay on top of your chats without constantly checking the app. It's a small change in your settings, but it can make a big difference in how quickly you respond to your friends and how smooth your conversations feel. Whether you're busy during the day or just tend to forget to open new chats, these reminders are a reliable way to keep you connected. Now that you know how to activate this feature, you can enjoy a more organized and responsive Snapchat experience and make sure those important messages never slip through the cracks again.